morning, this is Bob Mason from FX Empire and welcome to the daily crypto tech review of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin and Ripple's XRP. We'll be looking at the day's support, resistance and pivot levels, the Fibonacci's and the EMAs. It is Thursday the 9th of December. Looking at Bitcoin against the US dollar and the hourly candlesticks being a mixed start to the day, going to see Bitcoin avoid the pivot at 51.68 to take a run at the first major resistance level at 51.619. Support from the broader market will be needed for Bitcoin to break out from yesterday's high, 51.275. So barring an extended rally, that first major resistance level should cap the upside. In the event of a breakout, should see Bitcoin target the 23.6% fib at 53.628 before any pullback. Second major resistance level sits at 52.717. Fall through the pivot will bring the first major support level at 49.061 into play. Barring an extended sell-off on the day, Bitcoin should stay clear of sub 49s. Second major support level sits at 47.619. Looking at the EMA's 50 has narrowed marginally on the 100, so keep a lookout for a further narrowing that would bring a bullish cross into play and a breakout. So key would be to avoid the pivot at 51.68 and break through yesterday's high, 51.275, to bring resistance levels into play. Looking at Ethereum against US dollar, positive start to the day. Going to see Ethereum avoid the pivot at 4375 to take a run at the first major resistance level at 4522. Support from the broader market is going to be needed for Ethereum to return to 4500 levels. So barring an extended rally, that first major resistance level should cap the upside. In the event of breakout, should see Ethereum target 4700 levels before any pullback. Second major resistance level sits at 4604. Fall through the pivot would bring the first major support level at 4293 into play. Barring an extended sell-off on the day, Ethereum should avoid sub 4200 levels. Second major support level sits at 4145. Looking at the EMA's 50 is pulling away from the 100 and the 200, with the 100 converging on the 200, bringing a bullish cross into play that would support a breakout. So key, avoid the pivot at 4375, break through to 4500 levels to then target 4700 levels on the day. Looking at Litecoin against the US dollar, it's been a mixed morning. Going to need to see Litecoin avoid a fall through the pivot at 164 to take a run at the first major resistance level at 172. Support will be needed for Litecoin to return to 170s. So barring an extended rally, that first major resistance level should cap the upside. In the event of breakout, we've got the second major resistance level and the 23.6% fib, both at 178 to limit the upside on the day. Fall through the pivot will bring the first major support level at 157 into play. Barring an extended sell-off on the day, Litecoin should continue to avoid sub 150s. Second major support level at 150 should limit the downside. Looking at the EMAs, we're seeing the 50 narrow on the 100, so look out for a further narrowing that would bring a bullish cross into play and support a breakout. So key would be to avoid a fall through the pivot at 164, break back through to 170 to then target resistance levels. Failures to do that and support levels will come into play. Only looking at Ripple's XRP against the US dollar, being a positive start to the day. Going to see Ripple's XRP avoid the 23.6% fib at 8533 and the pivot at 8506 to take a run at the first major resistance level at 8969. Plenty of support will be needed for a breakout from yesterday's high at 885. So barring an extended rally, that first major resistance level and resistance at 0.9 should cap the upside. In the event of a breakout, should see Ripple's XRP target 0.95 levels before any pullback. Second major resistance level sits at 9314. Fall through the 23.6% fib and through the pivot will bring the first major support level at 8161 into play. Barring an extended sell-off on the day, Ripple's XRP should avoid sub 0.8s. Second major support level sits at 7698. Looking at the EMA's 50 is closing in on the 100, so look out for a bullish cross there that would support a break back through to 0.9 levels. So key would be to avoid a fallback through the 23.6% fib at 8533 and the pivot at 8506 to then target the resistance levels on the day.